So now that you know, or at least have an idea that I am aware, I am conscious, I exist, the next question that you may want to ask yourself is, am I separate, limited awareness? Now just think about that for a second. The question is, am I separate, limited awareness? Knowing that it's the primary experience of every human being that has ever lived and that will ever live. So ask the question, am I separate, limited awareness? And then you might also ask yourself, is the awareness that I know myself to be totally open, unlimited, and ever present? Because keep in mind, the awareness that you are, the awareness that you know in this moment, is the same awareness that you were the instant that you were born. That awareness is still in the same condition. It hasn't gone anywhere. It hasn't been diminished at all. Yet it's the same awareness that you have in this moment that you had in the precise moment that you were born. So get really curious and ask yourself the question, am I a separate, limited awareness? And is the awareness that I know myself to be totally open, unlimited, and ever present? Now explore those and allow yourself to have fun with it. Because when you're willing to explore that, past the point of your beliefs, past the point of what seems logical, possible, you'll end up becoming and falling back into your true nature. So, I leave you with that. I know it's a lot to think about. It's a lot to accept. Trust me, I've been there. Because when this started showing up for me, I questioned it because it was so different than what I knew, what I believed, what I was told. But when I gave myself permission that I wanted the truth, and I wanted the truth more than anything, and I was willing to give up my beliefs and the conditioning and things that I'd been told and things that I was told to believe and things that I was told that was true and I should believe this. And once I gave that all up because I was more interested in the truth, I gave myself permission with a pure heart to explore for this truth. And by doing that, I was able to become aware of what I'm talking today about, which is true nature. Because that true nature is the only thing that will end the suffering within your life. It will give you the love, joy, happiness, peace, and abundance that you desire. Because it is the only thing that is constant, ever present, and without limits.